All right, we're back and we're going to talk about a little bit about the modem. It's called so many different things. We call it RG, which means routed gateway, but we're going to use the term modem because that's what most people know it for. We use the BEC 8920. That is the modem we use, but of course if you're deciding to do your self-installation and you want to go get your own modem, that right is yours as long as it's within our network. So I'm going to go over some of the parts with the modem. Of course, this is the modem. It comes in your box. If you get from us, it will all be in the box, ready for you to pick up. And if you also buy from us, it will be configured. And all you have to do is plug and play, and it'll be ready to go. So that's the modem. Here's the power supply for the modem. This is a little bracket that you can mount either which way if you want to. Stand it up like that. That's all that's for. Here's your patch cable or Ethernet cable, Cat 5 Ethernet cable. This is the base cord that plugs into the jack that we ran, that we just showed you earlier. This is your signal wire that will feed the RG or modem that makes it sync up. And these two antennas is for your Wi-Fi. It gives you better signal, and they must be plugged in. So I'll go ahead and show you the process of how to hook it up. Starts with, I like to start with power. Get everything unwinded, laid out for me. Stretch everything out a little bit. Now this Ethernet cable will just be for if you're plugging into a computer or your laptop or whatever. Of course, these are a little short. If you want a longer one, they got them. You can get them anywhere, Walmart or Lowe's. I think this is a 5-footer, maybe. Anyway. All right, before we power it on, I always like to plug my antennas in. You got two little lugs back here that you take this and screw them in. That's all there is to it. You just screw right in. And once you get them screwed in, you point the antennas whichever direction you really want to. Once that's on, then I take my base cord, or your Cat 5 base cord, and you take this in. If you look here, it has a DSL port and it's gray. That'll be the one you want to plug into. So you take your base cord and plug it in. Just when you hear it snap, it's in there. That's all there is to it. The other end, of course, will go into your jack. So you have a Surface Biscuit jack. You plug it in. That's where your signal's coming from the outside interface that we showed you earlier. You just plug it in. That's it. It's plugged in now. You're good to go. And then last but not least, power. You just take it, plug your power. There's a little power port right there, and then you plug it in. If it don't come on, you might push the power button. It may be the power button's off. That power button's right there. Once you do that, the lights will come on, and then of course you take this cable. You can plug it into any one of these 4 ports. It usually says ETH 1, 2, 3, and 4. There's one on here that says EWAN port. That's usually our feeder port for fiber. But you don't need to use that. So it's just 1 through 4, and if you need more ports, you can always go buy you a switch. They give you more ports. So that just plugs into either one of these 4 ports. You hear it click, it's good. And then you take this in, plug it into your PC, your laptop, whatever you're plugging to. And that's pretty much it. After that, you're just looking for the lights. You know, like if you use our modem, you're going to be looking at these DSL 1 and 2 lights. If you're bonded, DSL 2. If you're not, you're just looking at DSL 1. But once the power sequence comes up and it kind of gets up, loads up a little bit, this DSL 1 light will start blinking when it sees something. If it don't see anything, it won't blink, which means you may have a problem. But once that DSL 1 light starts blinking, you know it's seeing the DSLAM back at our central office. So it'll blink for a little bit, and then once it locks on, it'll go solid green. And once it goes solid green, within a few couple minutes or even seconds, once that goes green, your internet light should turn green. And once it goes green, you should be able to plug in or wirelessly be online. So that's pretty much it. And that concludes the modem install.